What's up, UFM? How you guys been doing? Today I would love to show you some of our construction sites. So let's go. And yeah, that's it from me. I hope you guys liked this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. It is a beautiful, incredible feeling as an architect to see your design getting built. It is absolutely priceless. I'm very happy that we achieved so much in that 1.5 year. Every year it's gonna go better because we have more references, not just designs, we have built projects that I'm very excited of. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, and let me know which project you like the most. I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget, be positive, stay positive, and karma will always handle the rest. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.